The legendary Spitfire fighter, one of the most complex machines of its time, was first assembled from cardboard and matches in a 14-year-old boy's bedroom. His name was Reginald Mitchell, and he wasn't just gluing a model. He figured out how aerodynamics works, hands-on, or more precisely, with cardboard. That's where the story of model cars and machinery began. Not in a factory, not from blueprints, but in a kid's room with scissors. Early models were toys, but they quickly became tools. In the 19th century, locomotive engineers built miniature copies of their machines not for fun. They needed to test if the wheel pair would fall apart on a curve, if the frame would crack. The model cost pennies, the real locomotive thousands of pounds. And the model made mistakes first. By the 1910s, modeling had turned into spycraft, not just testing. British intelligence secretly ordered precise copies of new cars from German firms at a 1:10 scale. Parts were adjusted by hand, from photos obtained at great risk. Inside that tiny car could be a miniature but working model of the engine. The most amazing leap came in the 1930s. Aircraft designers noticed wind tunnel testing a model gave nearly the same numbers as an actual flight, but the model weighed 100 times less, cost 1,000 times less, and if it crashed, nobody died. From then on, every new machine was born first on a table. After the war, the hobby burst out of the labs. Plastic assembly kits appeared. Revell, Tamiya, Monogram. People bought them not for play, but to understand. Building a Porsche or a Mustang model meant spending a Sunday evening talking with engineers from the 40s. With your hands, not words. Then came computers. Digital modeling pushed physical miniatures onto hobbyists' shelves. It seemed cardboard and glue were gone for good, but it turned out differently. Today, when engineers design the Mars rover, they still first assemble a model, even if it's 3D printed plastic. A screen doesn't give the feel that a hand holding a model does. That boy in the bedroom was right. Before you build a machine, you have to live it, even if it's at 1:24 scale.